I promise you can have it all, girl.
YouTube, what is up? What is good with you guys? It's the Boul Nate. Shout out to the Boul Nation. Hope y'all feeling good. Because I'm feeling good today. Before we get to the video, hit that subscribe button. We're getting close to 1,800 subscribers on the road to 2,000 subscribers. So hit the subscribe button. Get the video a thumbs up, comment down below. Any other videos we'll see on the channel. And today we got another unboxing. And we got another Adidas unboxing. We got another YEEZY unboxing. Yes. Your boy here on the Confirm app. So, you know, I did take some recent L's with the slides, the foam runners, and it was like another pair. Oh, the 450s, like the cloud, like the, I don't even recall the recent and like the black ones. Got not selected, but you know, I gotta take my W's with the losses, you know. So here we go. Here we got nice little 700 box here. Yep. So these are actually the copper fade. So I actually got 11.5 because on the Confirm that it said like it runs a little bit small. So I was gonna size up. I know we're in size 11 if you watch the videos on the channel. So yeah, I'm gonna little size down. So I'm intrigued to see how these look. I saw some pictures of it. I'm like, this is actually a little different. Like, it's not too different, but it looks pretty cool. So slide it out. Ooh, okay. And here a pair of the copper fades. Yes, sir. So first glance, yeah, like the uppers, it's kind of like a gradient. You know, I guess I'll say because you can see here like in the beginning, it's kind of like a lighter brown or tan, and then as you see like as you get more towards the back of the shoe, it gets more and more. I can see like the copper color until you get towards the back. So that's my first glance of it. But man, this is a nice shoe. Obviously, it's pretty much similar to like a regular 700. You got like the quote unquote laces. I know Kanye said he's trying to like eventually get rid of laces in shoes. So he's kind of slowly but surely doing that. But yeah, man, this is a nice looking shoe. I ain't gonna lie. This is like it's different, but it's not too different. Like people won't go in there saying like, oh my god, what is that? But yeah, like it has like kind of like a I was gonna say suede, but it's not suede. It has like a nice like kind of like a soft material on the upper right here. Let me get this tissue out of the thing here. What I do find interesting though, it doesn't have the YEEZY logo inside though. Oh no, my light, yes it does. I guess it's translucent then. Cause I don't know why, but like for some reason when I like try to hold up to my face, you can't see it, but honestly in camera it shows up. So yeah, that's cool though. That's cool. But and then here's the sole here. Got like a kind of like a gray and blue like sole mixed there. I guess what I'm saying. Midsoles is a pretty chunky sole too. Let's see. Got like a little like kind of a translucent back here. Like I said, uppers. Again, you got like a kind of like a rough material up here up front too. Like kind of like the toe area. But yeah, man, this is an awesome shoe, man. Ah, man. I just kind of hope it fits, cause like I really buy shoes like sizing up, wearing like over size 11. So I kind of hope these fit. These actually look like they're probably actually about size. I look right now like the foot of the shoe does kind of like slant down a little bit, so that's probably why I said like size up, cause I see like the shoe like starts up big, but it kind of like goes like down, like it kind of like it's kind of like a little like slope here that goes down. So that's probably why I said like you gotta size up. Cause like I'm like the shoe looks pretty wide. I mean, unless it's got like super wide feet, but let me get the other shoe out. Let's see what's this. Hold on. Oh shit. read this. It's got a pair of laces right here. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna give you all some on feet and tell y'all how the shoe looks, how the shoe feels, and I'll catch you back there. Alright guys, and I am back, and hope you enjoyed our own feet. And yeah, like getting 11.5 for me fit very well. I'll definitely for sure, like it was like a pretty much like a tight fit to like trying to get your foot in there at first, but once you get your foot in there, you pretty much it's pretty much like locked in. So I think probably like half size, or maybe feel more comfortable going up to full size, definitely. Cause I got size 11, my feet would definitely been cramped for sure. 11.5 is just perfect. Like my feet was just like comfortable. I had no worries like my feet moving around or anything like that. So, but yeah, typically easy, shoes comfortable. But these look pretty wild on feet though. Like I'm not gonna lie. I'm not sure it's the color. I'm not sure it's like just the regular like just the part here on the sides. But yeah, like these actually will be like I said, an eye catcher on foot. So, but as always, like the video, give a thumbs up, comment down below any other videos you want to see on the channel, subscribe if you haven't already, like, comment, and I'll catch you next time.